In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy a domain for Google Sites fast and easy. A great tutorial for beginners looking to enhance their online presence with a custom domain. Let's dive straight into it. First things first, we need to head over to the Google Sites homepage. Simply open your browser and type in sitesgoogle.com to visit the page. This is your go-to platform for creating and managing your Google Sites, offering a simple and user-friendly interface that's perfect for beginners. Once you're on the Google Sites homepage, you'll find yourself on a dashboard. Here, take a moment to explore the interface if you're not familiar with it yet. Then, locate the site that you are working on. Once you've found it, click on it to open up your site editor. This will be the starting point for customizing your site further with a domain. Now, to get a custom domain, you'll want to look towards adding a personal touch to your site. In the Sites editor, find the Custom Domains option. This is generally located within the Settings or Publishing options. When you locate it, click on it. This will guide you through the process of connecting your website to a domain you own or wish to purchase. Here's where the magic happens. Select Connect Domain. You will need to type the domain name you plan to use. If you already own a domain, you can enter that. If you don't have one yet, you can get a domain through Google Domains or another domain provider. Make sure the domain name you choose reflects your brand or the content you're showcasing on your site. After entering your domain name, you may be prompted to verify your ownership of the domain. This is an important step to ensure that you have the right to use the domain. Follow the instructions presented, typically involving updating DNS settings with your domain registrar. Once you've made the necessary changes as per the instructions, click on Continue. This will take you further into the verification process, where Google will check if the DNS settings are correctly configured according to the instructions provided. Finally, once all requirements are in place and you've completed each step, give one last click on Verify. This action will confirm the ownership and complete the domain setup. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a custom domain for your Google site. Remember, it might take some time for the DNS changes to propagate and your site to be fully connected with your custom domain. But once it's done, your Google site will have a sleek, custom URL that enhances your personal or business brand. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.